Today, human connection and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new virtual entertainment blast. The vast majority have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. However, virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is a totally original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost forecast. In light of the Ethereum blockchain with an undeniable record of possession, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to append an all-new command over the virtual place that is known for clients who can now buy, fabricate, and adapt computer-generated reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland clients are better engaged to assume responsibility for the climate and applications they make inside their property. The Authority online entertainment record of the stage generally keeps its perspectives refreshed with impending occasion. A thorough information of the arrangement made is recorded on the blockchain, and consequently the data on this computer-generated simulation stage is free from even a hint of harm. Decentraland, a virtual wonder. Every one of the resources and land bundles displayed in the game can be bought with the local token, called mana, be it streets or squares. Since the land ownership is an NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum utilizing the ERC-721 norms, adaptability and security arise as noticeable metaverse game elements. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' games. For the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception, facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition beginning from January 17, combining metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, day-to-day POAPs, and some more. Let's jump further into Decentraland mana value expectation and specialized examination. Decentraland, establishing the groundwork. As the quickest developing virtual world, Decentraland was created by an Argentinian gathering in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Malik with CEO James Ashton. Decentraland has brought $25.50 up in financing from 6 high-profile clients. It incorporates Animoca brands, Lyft VC, Texture Adventures, Beginning One Capital, Central Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's engineers have taken an exceptionally insightful and light gave way to deal with building the game's central layers. New ventures and organizations in the cryptographic money market are now in progress to make this computerized world a refined and connecting with substitute reality, which will probably become pervasive and habit-forming. Going by the specialized investigation, Decentraland cost has had a noteworthy journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the main role for its notoriety as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital money remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47, with a 24 HRS exchanging volume of $1,231,753, with a circling mana supply of 1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by 6.09%. The specialist's mana cost examination and Decentraland mana value forecast should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value expectation of $5.30. This mana gauge addresses a move of 86% this year. In like manner, while the feeling encompassing the mana crypto has been profoundly negative before, the wallet financial backer expresses that mana is supposed to offer 450% return on initial capital investment by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The mana cost is estimated to reach $3.39 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost forecast. As per Decentraland cost forecast 2022, the normal greatest exchanging cost is $3.43. The base exchanging cost of mana tokens is $2.33 in 1 year. The Decentraland for the finish of 2022 is $3.45. As per our mana crypto forecast, the coin could triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have a reasonable bulk on around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise speculation. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. As per the new long-haul conjectures, Decentraland cost will hit above $4.54 toward the finish of 2022, $6.50 toward the finish of 2023, and $12.82 toward the finish of 2026, which will make mana a wise interest from here on out. Decentraland value forecast 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital currency market, Decentraland token is good to go to support areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive Mana conjecture and future market capitalization, the street ahead is loaded with petals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto. According to our impartial crypto figure for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and estimate, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire critical benefit from now on. Decentraland gauge by specialists recommend contributing at the ongoing value level might give significant revisitations of brokers in the close to term, and they would have the option to settle on a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As per the cost expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market experts estimate the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. Decentraland has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. In view of our Decentraland cost figures, these highlights can help the Mana token increase a lot more exorbitant cost of $6.70 in 2023. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. Examining Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. There are many gauges going ahead for Decentraland, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on. There are not many Decentraland gauge that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. Decentraland is additionally dynamic in local area drives and through which we are hopeful about the symbolic's future development as far as various elements like costs, volume, overhauls, and so forth, taking into account they keep up force gathering a huge market capitalization. Their drives with an emphasis on schooling, effort, and advancements. According to Decentraland cost forecast, Mana token might cost to an apparent degree of $10 post conquering the mental opposition level as its drawn out cost in 2025. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. In the event that all markets turn great, in 2026 Mana, a computerized resource, is set to break all hindrances and perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. Mana would unquestionably give indications of fortune for its clients according to our fair-minded crypto estimate, as indicated by the future cost forecast. According to the Decentraland cost patterns and verifiable information, the Decentraland cost may effectively contact $12.50 before the year's over 2026. Mana Coin Value Forecast 2030. According to Decentraland cost investigation by specialists, the typical cost of Mana tokens is supposed to reach $97 by 2030. Decentraland future cost expectation expect